ChatGPT coach या Olympia coach?
Filled with RC, aka Rohith Singh Chauhan, is doing a great job exposing the fake narratives of the Indian fitness industry. He's actually spilling out the goddamn truth and showing what's the actual potential of natural bodybuilding and calling out every fake narrative charlatan who is misguiding the Indian fitness industry. He's calling out the scammers, he's calling out the illiterate gurus, and he's calling out the overall bullshit present in the Indian fitness industry. And do follow his YouTube channel, subscribe his YouTube channel, and go follow him on Instagram. Recently I came across this YouTube short where he exposes the great Siddhanth Jaiswal for spewing BS through his YouTube Instagram account.
तो भाई ये मिस्टर सिद्धांत जायसवाल जिनका कहना है डाइट कोक पीने से इंसुलिन रेजिस्टेंट हो जाते हैं.
Facts first. I personally think that Siddhanth Jaiswal is amazing. He probably might be the number one bodybuilding coach, both enhanced and natural bodybuilding currently in 2025. Okay, he is an IFBB pro. He has done a great job glorifying the Indian fitness industry on the international level, and all props to that.
वे प्रोटीन, क्रेटीन, EAA, BCAA ऐसे सप्लीमेंट्स में भी आर्टिफिशियल स्वीटनेस डाले जाते हैं और ये खुद इन सारे सप्लीमेंट्स को प्रमोट करते हैं. शायद उस टाइम ये बातें भूल जाते हैं कि इनमें भी आर्टिफिशियल स्वीटनर होते हैं.
Go through the top tier human randomized control trials, but the misinformation about non-nutritive sweeteners and Diet Coke comes from the studies which was mainly conducted on obese, overweight people, and there were studies conducted on rats, in vitro, cell culture, etc. etc. First, let's deep dive into this study which was published on January 2024. It was a 52-week study. It concluded that in terms of weight loss, non-nutritive sweetened beverages like Diet Coke performed better in comparison to zero-calorie water. That's freaking amazing, and this can be a boon to people on weight loss, because if Diet Coke can cause greater weight loss in comparison to water, why not consume Diet Coke once a while instead of consuming sugary, freaking loaded beverages, cafe mochas, ice creams, fruit juices, which is loaded with sugar, etc. I can cite multiple other studies like this, blah 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 blah. I personally think that BS needs to be exposed, despite the person making that freaking video is the one whom you like. You need to be unbiased and call out the bullshit, because this is how you freaking learn, and this is how you make others freaking learn. Lads, I hope you learned something from this video. To conclude, I hope this message sinks in, and until then, peace out.
खत्म. Bye bye. Tata. Goodbye.